Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. Now, imagine a golden light beginning to glow at the center of your chest. It's warm, soft, and pulsing gently with your heartbeat. This light is your creative essence, your source of unlimited potential. With each inhale, this light expands, flowing through your arms, your hands, your fingertips. It's a Navy Treebs mania. You feel this golden light gently press your thumb and index finger together. With each exhale, it spreads down through your legs, grounding you in the earth while your mind soars. In summing, you are a vessel of pure creativity, and this light is the energy of all that you can imagine. Let's anchor this state now. As you feel this golden light, gently press your thumb and index finger together, and thus feel the pressure, the warmth, the connection. This simple touch becomes your anchor, your trigger to return to this creative state anytime you wish. With each breath, the anchor deepens, the light grows brighter, the feeling becomes more real. And now, repeat these words silently in your mind, letting them resonate through every fiber of your being. I am a limitless source of creativity. Feel the truth of these words. Your mind is a vast ocean of ideas, and every thought is a wave rising and falling, each one unique. I trust my creative instincts completely. Your intuition is a wise guide, speaking to you through feelings, through images, through subtle nudges. Every idea that arises is a gift, a seed waiting to grow. My imagination knows no bounds. See your mind as a canvas, infinite and white. And with each breath, colors begin to dance across it. Stolars form, patterns emerge, stories unfold. You are the artist of your own reality, and your creativity is the brush. Every challenge is an invitation to create. Here est. Think of a current situation in your life that feels stuck or uncertain. Now, imagine that golden light flowing into that space, illuminating new paths, new solutions. Uncreated, a problem-solving genius, and creativity is its natural language. I am open to receiving inspiration from all directions, from the rustle of leaves the rhythm of rain, the silence of dawn. Every moment is a message. Every sensation, a spark. And let your breath become deeper now. Inhale, creativity. Exhale, doubt. Inhale, how possibility. Exhale, limitation. With each cycle, you are rewiring your brain. Create now. Imagine a door in front of you. It's made of light, pulsing with the same golden glow. And as you approach, you feel a sense of anticipation, of wonder. This door leads to your infinite creative library, where every idea, every inspiration, every masterpiece exists in potential. Place your hand on the door. Feel the warmth, the energy, the invitation. I'd seen through the wave of light washes over you, filling you with a profound sense of knowing. Choka, the enters. Step through the doorway. You are now in a vast, shimmering space, infinite and alive. Around you, ideas float like stars, each one a possibility, each one a new beginning. You can reach out and touch any one of them, and as you do, it blossoms into a full vision. I am connected to the infinite well of creativity. Deep Eve, feel this connection as a cord of light from your heart to this space, pulsing with life. Stroid, you choose which ideas to nurture, which visions to bring to life. You are both the gardener and the garden. Store now. Bring your hands together, palm to palm, and feel the warmth. This is the anchor of your creative power. I am a beacon of innovation. Your presence alone inspires others because you are living from your creative truth. Every breath is a new creation. With each inhale, you are born anew. With each exhale, you release the old, making space for the new. Now, let your awareness return to the golden light in your chest. It is now brighter, warmer, more alive than before. This light is your creative essence, always available, always flowing. I am the source of my own inspiration. You don't need to seek it outside yourself. It is already here within you, waiting to be expressed. My creativity is a river, ever flowing, ever renewing. Feel its current moving through you, carrying you to new shores of expression. Now, take a final deep breath. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with light. Hold it for a moment, feeling the energy expand. And as you exhale, let it all go, releasing into the infinite flow of creativity. You are now anchored in this state, connected to your unlimited potential. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now, beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day. Until we meet again in stillness,